So hello everyone, in this video I am going to talk about how to get IIT internship, IIT research internship at IIT Bombay. So first you have to open your Google and type IIT Bombay. IIT Bombay aerospace faculty. Why I am typing aerospace faculty? Because my field is aerospace. If you are from computer science background, then type here CSE faculty. Then after clicking on this, click on this faculty. Here you can check faculty members name, their specialization area and their research interest. Here you can also see their emails. So what you have to do is you just have to send one email to the professor in which field you are interested. See, aerodynamics is there, dynamic controls, propulsion structures. So just go through the professor name, professor interest. Here you can see their publication. So according to your interest and your professor interest, you can apply through an email. You just have to write an email, write a cover letter, attach your resume and send it to the professor, and definitely you'll get reply by 1 week. Definitely I suggested to my one of friend, he was not getting any internship or project work for last final semester. He did same thing and he got the reply. Now he is doing internship at IIT Bombay. So thank you. Please do subscribe for more information.